Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now we have to find the wallpaper and style. Let's tap on it. And as you can see at the very top, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and under it we've got the option thanks to which we will be able to change the wallpaper. Just a quick disclaimer about other options. So the color palette, which is I personally think that it is a cool option because as you can see you will be able to set the system colors based on the wallpaper. So I highly recommend to check this option after changing the wallpaper because it will make your device much more personalized. Here you've got also the option to dim the wallpaper when the dark mode is on, which simply means that the wallpaper will be also darker. It's up to you, of course, if you want to use it. So let's tap on change wallpapers, and as you can see we've been transferred to the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got at the top the featured ones, we've got the video options, and here we've got the static ones. We've got of course our own gallery, so we can pick our own photo and set it as a wallpaper, and here we've got some static options, as you can see the graphical and the solid colors. Of course you've got the wallpaper services here and downloaded ones. You can enter the Galaxy themes to download some cool options. But let me pick something from those options, and I'd like to show you that there's a difference between the animated ones and the static ones. Not a really huge difference, but it's worth saying. So after picking the video one, just tap on it, and as you can see you will have the preview on the full screen. Of course, if you want to set it, just tap on done here. And if you've got the static ones, your device will give you the opportunity to pick proper screen on which you would like to set it. So after tapping on it, you can see that you can decide if you want to set it on the lock screen and home screen. Just keep the option on which you want to apply the wallpaper ticked or turned on. As you can see, you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and simply then tap on next, but I will pick the animated one. So let me tap on it and simply confirm it with tapping on done. And as you can see, the changes has been applied to the lock screen only, and that's why we just couldn't pick the option, kind of both options. So as you can see, we've got the lock screen here and the wallpaper which was previously set. So let me change it because I don't like it. Just something like that. I don't want to set it on the lock screen because as you can remember, I've got the animated one, and tap on next. Again, we've got the preview, so simply tap on done. And the changes has been applied. We can go and check, and as you can see the wallpaper has been changed successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.